everybody, Delores here with another Sweeping Saturday for you. Today I would like to talk to you about cleaning your rock before every shot. This is really important. As you know, little fibers get on the ice from the inside of your gripper. Sometimes people have a gripper that's starting to peel, fibers from clothing, that kind of thing. So it's really important to clean the bottom of your rock. You never want to have a pick because there's something stuck to the bottom of it. So there are a couple of different ways that you can do that. One of the ways is to, from the hack, flick your rock, sweep it with your hand, and then use your broom to clean the ice before you put the rock back down in front of you. It's really important to make sure that you remove all that dirt from the ice that you just took off of the bottom of the rock before putting your rock back down. Otherwise, you're just putting the rock back on top of the dirt that you just cleaned off of the rock. Now, what you can do as well, and this is what I like to do, is clean your rock off to the side, like this, put it in front of the hack, and then I just use my hand to wipe it away. Or you can use your broom as I did with the first one. If you're having trouble with the flick, as I was doing like this, if that's a challenge for you, you can always bring it back to the hack and pull it up, clean it off, clean it with your broom, back down, and in front of the hack. And again, you can do that with your hand as well. Pull it against the hack, clean it off, use your hand to swipe the dirt away, and then put it back down. But it's important to make sure that you remove that dirt from the ice before putting your rock back down. Then you don't have to worry about anything being stuck to the bottom of the rock.